Yeehaw! That's Green Slide. Is your name Clyde the Slide?
And my name is what I do. Hi.
Are you a movie star?
And I exercise.
Do you have a boyfriend named SpongeBob?
No.
Then why are you watching him every day? Be your ballerina. Where are you going? I can't see your face when you're swinging around on that. Stop. I want a picture of the movie star. Are you a movie star? Turn around this way, the sun is shining on your face. Beautiful face. Look at that pretty girl. That's that way, numb nuts. Numb nuts. Whoa. Okay, now go fast. That was funny. Do it again.
Hey, one more time.
Okay. You hanging on? Dude, mommy. Go some more. Yeehaw! Okay, that's a long video.
Hi, it's me.
Who are you?
It's me.
Where do you live at?
Kansas.
What's your address?
2126 Kansas.
No, Wallace.
Wallace Street.
What park are you at? Cessna Park.
Sunshine Park. And I'm from Wichita.
How old are you?
3. And I'm out to a photo for my birthday.
When's your birthday? The 26th of this month. I can't see your face. Turn around.
And look, it's tired.
Hang on, I'll swing you faster.
Okay.
Hang on. Hey, chicken. Oh, fuck, 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 fuck. Wee! 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 You're a chicken. Fuck, 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 fuck. Chicken. Who are you?
I'm Clara.
Clara?
And I can swing and dance.
Are you Auntie Angeline?
I'm from my brother.
Look at the goose. You want to go chase him?